Unlock seamless financial transactions by learning how to get a void check from SocialBank in just minutes. Whether you're setting up direct deposit for your paycheck or need to provide banking details for a new service, a void check is the secure and convenient way to go today. We'll walk you through exactly how to get one using SocialBank's user-friendly platform. First things first, head over to the SocialBank website or open your SocialBank mobile app. You'll want to log in securely using your username and password. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official SocialBank site or app to protect your information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for a section typically labeled Support, Help, or Contact Us. This is where you'll find the dedicated tools and information to assist you. Within the support area, search for an option related to account services or documentation. You're looking for something like Request a Void Check or Account Forms. It might be a direct link or a submenu option. Click on that option, and you'll likely be presented with a straightforward form. SocialBank prioritizes your security, so you may be asked to verify your identity by answering a security question or re-entering your password. Don't worry, this is for your protection. You'll usually need to provide your account number and the routing number for your SocialBank account. You can generally find these details on your existing bank statements or within your online banking profile. After filling out the necessary information, simply submit the request. SocialBank will then generate a void check for you. This process is designed to be quick and efficient. And there you have it, your void check is ready. You can typically download it directly from the platform as a PDF or have it emailed to you. Remember, this voided check contains all the necessary information for direct deposits and other transactions without exposing your actual checkbook. Using a void check from SocialBank is a smart move for secure and simple financial management. Happy banking!